Okay, guys. Now we are at this step, which is the 3.1 installing Blast. So, what we have done so far is we have installed Java, we have installed Brig as well. Now, for Brig to run, we need to install Blast. If you read this section, it tells you Blast 2 or Blast Legacy 1 must already be installed, and Brig needs to be able to locate the Blast executables. So what do we do? We click here for Blast plus 2, or if you need Blast 1 Legacy, that's here. I have already clicked here in this one, and in my browser I have been taken to this site. Now you see, we need to download all of these. Which one to download? If you need to understand that if you are using a Windows, it's better to just download the exe file. Uh, If you have Linux, you download one of these, and of course, 64-bit versus 32-bit. There is always these things. My system is a Windows 64-bit, so I clicked here, and this one got downloaded. It's like uh, 87.4 MB. I already downloaded it, so that I don't need the time to. Hmm, I don't have to wait for this to download it again. So anyway, it got downloaded here. If you double click on this exe file, it asks permission. You probably have to have administrative permission, administrative rights, and then it lets you install it. I'm not going to change anything here, but I remember this location, so it's better to copy this location because later on we have to uh, go inside Brig and tell where the blast has been installed. So we better off copy it from here and then click install and wait for it to get installed. So it says the installation is complete and we close it. So that ends our installation for the Blast. I'll show you in the next video as to how you connect Blast with Brig, like how you let Brig know where Blast has been installed. Thank you guys. Keep watching.